Well, the sun is up, but I'm not. I've been sitting here in my meditation and writing and journaling for, I don't know, a couple of hours. And I started off, it was dark. And now the sun is up, and you don't see me like this very often. Maybe I should scoot back a little bit so you can't see me. My plants are happy, which is really nice. And we're getting ready to come up on the How to Channel class in Branson, Missouri. Um, I think we still have openings, so check it out. Channeling is such an interesting energy. So I try to write in my journal every day, and many times it goes into guided writing. What does it mean to be guided by spirit? Let's meditate on that. Sorry about my hair. It's kind of going in every direction. Woohoo! So let's just take a deep breath. And a second deep breath. They say that you can get into a deep meditative state with 3 deep breaths. That's what I choose. One more. I am asking for divine guidance to come into my world and remain. Just breathe into that intention. I'm going to repeat it. You can repeat it in your mind. Because sometimes when you repeat things out loud, that kind of jars your energy. So repeat it in your mind. I am asking for divine guidance. Guidance from the divine, the energy of Source, to lead me every step of my day, to help me stay on my divine path, to help me connect with the source of who I am. And I ask that I have a sign that my logical brain can understand, to confirm within me when I doubt that I am on my divine path. Hmm. Please help me be the peace that I wish to see in this world, that I wish to live in this world. I open myself up to all guides from the light so they can speak, communicate freely to my higher self, to my inner guidance in a way that is best for me, that's in my own highest good to experience. So take a deep breath. Look out on your beautiful day with gratitude. The trees will be budding out soon. If you have plants, look on your happy plants and your happy self. Namaste, y'all. Oh, wait. Come back to the present before you let go. Take a deep breath and sigh it out. Sorry, I forgot where I was for a minute. Take a deep breath and sigh it out. And smile as you take a deep breath and sigh it out and open your eyes. Now, namaste, y'all. Namaste.